Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Type chkdsk /f/r and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space // and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command.
Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy **backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type copy space *** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now type in cd space // and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Type bcdedit space /export space C:/ bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now type cd space C:/ and simply hit enter. Type attrib C:/boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now type ren space C:/boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved. and you're good to go.